Hi everyone. So in this quick video, we will show you how to successfully access a folder that is shared with you through a link on our Microsoft SharePoint library. Oftentimes what happens is when you click on the link that is shared with you on your Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or some other personal account that is not hosted on Microsoft Office, the issue arises in terms of identity recognition. For example, you have two accounts, one on Gmail and one on Microsoft. And what happens is that if the video is shared or a folder is shared with you on your personal account and you click on the link, Microsoft tries to pick up your other Office 365 account. And this is where the identity problems, the verification problems arise. So in this video, I will show you how to navigate through that. So let's look here. So let's suppose you get an email in which a link is shared with you. And if you get this email and the link is shared with you through with an email address, that is the same address on which you are receiving the email. For example, if this link is shared with you on Gmail, chances are your Gmail account is the one that has access to this folder. Similarly, if it could be a Yahoo, Outlook, or Hotmail or some other address. So oftentimes what happens is the issue arises when you try to click on the link. So if you click on the link, so I'll just do that. And yeah. So this is the links, and so when you click on the link, everything shows up here for me because I already have access, but you will not see this. For example, upon clicking the link, if you copy and paste this in a incognito browser, this is the web page that you will see. It will prompt you to log in here, and this is what we do not want. So how could you fix that? How should you avoid seeing this page? So instead of clicking on the link, for example, instead of clicking, you right click and you click on copy hyperlink. Okay, so when you click on copy hyperlink and paste it here, notice that the URL is actually very small. Now you will go through to a different page. Now let's suppose that this video was originally shared with you on your Gmail address. So if it was shared with you on your Gmail address, that's the email address that you will type here. You will not type any other Microsoft address. You will type the same email address on which the video is shared or a folder is shared with you. So for me, it's shared with me on my Gmail address. So I will click that here. And now a link would have been sent to my Gmail account. That link sometimes can often come into spam, so always check your spam or junk folder too. So yeah, so this is the account verification code, I think. Yeah, so when I enter this here and see, now I can access it. Very easy, very easy. Okay, just never click on the link. Always right click and then copy hyperlink or copy link address. Now this was accessing a folder that is shared with you on email. Now let me show you another case in which a folder is shared with you on Moodle. So let's suppose we are on this page and we say that webinar slides and recording are available through this link. Again, do not click on this link. Okay, instead of clicking on this link, you right click and then you say copy link address. Now you open a incognito mode and this. Oops, it looks like this one is already shared with me. Okay, so right now it's recognizing me from my Gmail ID. So because so I need to sign out. See, so because I signed in from nahe.hec.gmail, it's picking my that identity. So always sign out of SharePoint when you're trying to access a new link, because it's possible that the previously logged in identity was different than the new identity through to which this folder is shared. Now let me copy this again. Yeah. Now let's suppose that this folder is shared to my different address, sam@agc.gov.pk. So I'll just enter that whatever email address on which this recording, this folder is shared. I will click on that. Okay. So always so the lessons to be learned are always right click and then copy the link address or copy the hyperlink, paste it into an incognito mode. When you paste it into an incognito mode and an error comes up, make sure that you have not logged in through a different ID, or if that happens, sign out and then try again. Okay, thank you so much.